हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल लाट्रो। होप पहले वाले टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स आपको अच्छे लगे। तो वीव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टाइज, नाउ वीव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बेल्ट्स। सो आज हम बात करते हैं एक और एक्सेसरी की, दैट इज आवर ज्वेलरी। तो बेसिकली आपके साथ भी कभी ऐसा हुआ है दैट यू ट्राइंग टू फाइंड वन इयरिंग एंड दूसरा इयरिंग ही नहीं है, मिसिंग है, एंड यू गेटिंग लेट फॉर वर्क और मे बी फॉर अ पार्टी, एंड पूरा ज्वेलरी बॉक्स हमें उलझना पड़ता है टू चेक विच पार्ट ऑफ इयरिंग्स आर हियर एंड देयर। सबके साथ होता है, आई एम श्योर, एंड इट इज वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग फॉर एवरीवन. So today we're going to talk about how to organize jewelry in different grids. बहुत ग्रिड्स के ट्रेज आते हैं, बहुत सा अलग अलग वेराइटी आती है. So this is the question that I've been asked most कि हम कौन सा ग्रिड लें कौन से ज्वेलरी के लिए. So today let's talk about that. So पहला ट्रे जिसके बारे में मैं बात करूंगी that is 24 grid. So this tray, they all come in three colors. Cream, this is cream, then there's dark pink, and then there is gray. So as you can see, the 24 grid one, it has got a nice good space for trinket, chote earrings, rings, even chains. I'll just show you how we can organize this. So basically you can keep your rings, then you can keep your earrings, you can keep everything together. So when they are displayed nicely in this, you don't have to try and find कि कहाँ पे है क्या है. You just have to take out from the grid and it's done. So now इसको रखते हैं and let's talk about the 12 grid tray. As you can see, the grids here are bigger. The 12 grid, एक बार इसको भी उठा लेते हैं. See the difference. ये थोड़े छोटे trinkets, earrings, rings उसके लिए perfect है. But when it comes to bigger earrings, statement rings जो थोड़े बड़े होते हैं, sometimes इसमें भी आ जाते हैं. But if you want to see more nicely, you can keep it in them. Then bigger earrings हैं, chains हैं, छोटे छोटे pendants हैं, कुछ भी बहुत easily it fits nicely here. And मेरा ये personal favorite है because whatever I use in daily wear comes really nicely in this. So let me show you how to organize this. So I have these hoops which I generally wear because I love hoops. Let me know what type of earrings you guys like so that I also know which one's in fashion. So you can keep a watch also nicely in this. Then there are earrings. There are some bracelets that are very sleek for like this, as you can see. So even that fits nicely in 12 grid. So ऐसे ही we can organize it with some nice chains and many more things. So 12 grid is more good for like the bigger earrings, studs, hoops, वो आराम से इसमें fit होते हैं. So this one's nicely organized. अभी मैंने पूरा organize नहीं किया है, but still if you can see everything fits nicely. So now we have a 6 grid. See, the grid is again bigger than the 12 grid one. This is perfect for your bangles, for your sets, छोटे pendant wale sets. They fit nicely in this. Then basically it's best for your bangles. So I'll just show you how to organize bangles. So this is my bracelet. This is again my bangles. I've kept my jewelry here just to show you how to organize nicely. You can keep the bigger jhumkas too. So let me show you one more. See, this is the jhumka, how big it is. And इस grid में तो बिल्कुल नहीं आ सकता. Even in this, the 12 grid one, it will not fit really nicely. So we'll keep it in the 6 grid one, the bigger grid one, ताकि it remains nicely in there. So let me just show you. Bigger jhumkas and the bangles. Lastly, we have this 4 grid tray. इसके grids सबसे बड़े आएंगे. First is 24 वाला size, then there's 12 grid, then there is 6 grid, और उसके बाद आता है आपका 4 grid. So this tray is good for your बिगर झुमकास, अगर आपके पास, इफ यू हैव दोज ऑक्सीडाइज सिल्वर ज्वेलरी जिसके झुमके थोड़े बड़े होते हैं, that can come nicely here. Then bangles if you want to keep together, necklaces, कुछ भी बहुत easily आराम से इसमें आता है. Let me just show you how. So this is my pearl necklace. I organize it in the 4 grid. Then I have these bigger earrings. इसका साइज थोड़ा बड़ा है, इसमें 6 ग्रिड में भी आ जाएगा ये, but if you want to keep them together you can keep in this. You can also organize the trays as to the occasion and everything. You can keep bangles together. Then suppose you want to keep your sunglasses, those sleek ones, you can also keep it in here. So there are some times when you just come back from a party or office and you don't have to take out the box and keep everything in and then put it back. You just come, you remove your jewelry, your chains, your bracelets, and you just keep them in the trays and put it back. Like you can just close the drawer, that's it. How easy it becomes, how classy it is. I'll just show you the quality also. See how smooth it is. We use only luxury velvets. These are very smooth, sturdy trays. These are also stackable. If you want to stack them, you can stack it up nicely like this. Very easy to stack them up. Or if you want to keep in drawers, you can keep them again easily. So basically, our jewelry is expensive. Even if it's not expensive, you have to take a lot of care of your jewelry. We have different grids. We also have plain trays. We have different sizes. Uske liye bhi I'll make a video and show it to you guys how many sizes we have. So I have already told you there are 3 colors available right now. देखा ज्वेलरी ऑर्गेनाइज करना कितना इजी और क्लासी हो सकता है. Now all your jewelry is sorted and organized. ज्वेलरी को ऑर्गेनाइज करना उतना ही स्पेशल होना चाहिए जितना कि उसको पहनना. अब यू विल टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स विच ट्रे यू थॉट इज मोर यूजफुल. कौन सी ट्रे आपके लिए ज़्यादा यूजफुल है? डू टेल अस इन द कमेंट्स. And for more information, for more such videos, you should subscribe our channel Latrove. Subscribe it, like it, and share it with your friends, whoever needs this. And ring the bell for notifications. Happy organizing!